ओके सो लास्ट एपिसोड में हमें हानाइको के बारे में पता चला। हमें सबसे पहले तो मार्क के बारे में पता चला था, जो हमारे हाथ में मार्क है उसकी वजह से हमारी आज सुबह ही मौत हो जानी है। तो अब हमें इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है और सल्यूशन ढूंढना है कि इस मार्क से कैसे छुटकारा पाएँ। हमारे साथ दो और लोग हैं जो इसी मार्क से सफ़र कर रहे हैं। तो जहाँ तक उन लोगों की बात माने तो लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये मार्क उन्हें हानाहिको ने दिया है। हानाहिको एक भूत है, एक स्पिरिट है। तो उस स्पिरिट ने इन दोनों को निशान दिया है, डेथ मार्क। तो बस हमें एच सिटी में अब एच एलिमेंट्री जो स्कूल है जहाँ पे हानाहिको अपीयर होता है, वहाँ पे जाना है, इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है और इस मार्क का सल्यूशन ढूंढना है। हानाहिको तो बस ये सब है। चलो कंटिन्यू करते हैं। मैंने पार्टनर ये सुकासा योशिदा चुना है। मोए वातानाबे ज़्यादा एंटरटेनिंग नहीं होगी जहाँ तक मुझे लग रहा है। तो चलो एग्जिट इस मैंशन से एग्जिट। First, we have to get to H Elementary. Mary says we are free to use the car in the garage. The garage is detached from the mansion. The vintage model van and bicycle only accent the elegant interior. दो बाइसाइकिल, इसका मतलब इस मैंशन में कम से कम दो लोग तो रहते हैं। लेकिन जहाँ तक मैरी बता रही है कि यहाँ पे खाली सायाकू जो रहती है, तो ये दो साइकिल का मतलब नहीं बनता। शायद से ऐसी डेकोरेशन के लिए इन्होंने डाल दी होगी, एक साइकिल अच्छी नहीं लग रही होगी। चलो जो भी है, एक से मैं ये माइक ठीक कर लूँ, बहुत परेशानी दे रहा है ये आजकल माइक। The vintage model van and bicycle only accent the elegant interior. Thank God for careless people. The car key was left on the table. Time to go. According to Mary, your amnesia is so bad you have forgotten your name. Are you really able to drive? देखा ने तभी कहा था ये परेशान करेगा बहुत। He looks at me doubtfully. Don't worry, it will be fine, I think. It will all come back when I take the wheel. Part of that is to convince myself. You don't have your license, do you? I think even passengers get in trouble if you are caught without one. I could go on my permanent record. ओहो ओहो ओहो, मैं भूल गया था तू तो बहुत ही रईस घर से आता है। एरोगेंस, चलो जो भी है। It could go on my personal record. To be worrying about school now. After all, we do have more pressing worries if we don't get rid of this mark. My future is riding on this, so please make sure to drive safely. Human bodies are remarkable. Back in the garage, I wasn't sure if I would be able to drive or not. But the second my hand touched the wheel, I wasn't worried anymore. My muscle reacted quicker than I expected, and it's now easy to guide this monster down the road. But now, thoughts of what I can no longer do starts to filter in my head. समझ सकता हूँ यार, आज समझ सकता हूँ. May I ask you something? Sukasa peeps up hesitantly. I probably let the silence go on too long. भाई सही है, इससे बात करेगा तो लड़ाई ही होगी. How bad is it? Your amnesia, that is. It might be rude of me to ask, but I am a concerned party too. Oh, concerned party. I don't know what I was like to begin with, so there is nothing to compare to. In that sense, rather than the memories vanishing, it's like everything been venting white. That's what it feels like. I see. The conversation dwells, leaving only the sound of the tires on the road. Then thoughts start popping into my head again, one after another. First, we will have to search for that mirror. But what should we investigate after that? No idea. Oh, sorry, एक second. I can't even remember my own name. How the hell am I supposed to know what we are doing? I thought you would share that. Think whatever you want. I am talking to a child. I need to relax and be a good example. And that's definitely how I feel. But that's definitely how I really feel. I stare down at the steering wheel. The doll in the mansion, mark bearers, the mark spirits, और इकलौती मैंशन की वारिस. I feel like I am going to be buried under all the crushing thoughts that keep popping into my mind. What awaits me down this road? I feel a flutter from the mark on my wrist, like it's trying to warn me. My brains might not be able to understand, but my body can sense it. That is coming in. Closing in. If that's happening, isn't the problem anymore? It's more how long do I have left. सही बात है. मेन दिक्कत ये है कि हमें पता नहीं हमारे पास टाइम कितना बचा है. How much longer? I almost yelled, but I managed to swallow it down with efforts. I think we are almost there. Already? It's pretty close then. Yeah, that's exactly right. At any time it could be. It's a lot closer than you would think. Looming ominously in the moonlit, the school definitely looked abandoned. For quite a number of years, in fact, the walls are starting to crack. All the windows are broken as well. A thick chain is in front of the main gate to keep people from going in.
Chotto, chotto!
Chotto. You there, chotto. Not another chotto step. An enthusiastic voice comes from a man in a guard uniform. He must be patrolling the area. Looks like we got caught. This property belongs to the city. No one's allowed inside, don't you know? Or are you up to something? A bunch of people have been coming here on there since it's haunting. You aren't one of them, are you? Yes, that is exactly. Tsukasa quickly shakes his head. No, don't listen to him. We are just simply passing by. Tsukasa को फंसाओ. The guard sighs. और बोल क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड साफ रखना है तेरे को. अभी इतिहास बनाता हूँ मैं बढ़िया सा क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड. There are so many people like you these days. What a pain. Anyway, the school's off limit, so you can't go inside. I don't want any trouble on my first shift here. Please
Nine?
leave. Nine. हाँ Nine. Nine. Muttering to himself, the guards make his way into the school. As we watch him leave, Tsukasa leans over and whispers, I expected that much. Oh, annoying. We'll be in deep trouble if we are caught while investigating here. हमें टेंशन आ ले जरूर पकड़े जाएंगे. तेरा इतना प्योर और इतना वाइट कोड होगा ना कि क्या ही बताऊँ मैं. चलो फिर चलते हैं. Pushing open the doors, I head inside. It's pitch black. I can't see anything. The moonlight doesn't reach inside. We'll just have to use the flashlight. The light will make us easier to spot, but we have no other choice. क्या रास्ते आप? I hope the guards doesn't find us. The battered shoe rack is covered in dirt. ठीक है. There are platforms of broken wood slats in front of the shoe rack. They creak when we step on. और ये look. Do not leave handprints on the mirror on the eastern staircase. Thank you. Independent Research Presentation. First floor. Multi-purpose classroom. Come check it out. A presentation and a mirror. We really should investigate that mirror. पता है यार. Guess we will go there first. Indeed, we have no other clues. East, that's to the right. ये सही कराना. ये लोग बहुत बेकार लगता है जो गेम में डायरेक्शन देने के नाम पे ये बोलता है ईस्ट से जाओ, वेस्ट जाओ, साउथ जाओ, नॉर्थ जाओ. भाई कम से कम एक बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है यार. कम से कम ढंग का एक कंपास सिस्टम तो रखो. एक तो कंपास सिस्टम भी बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है ऊपर से गेम्स का. तो ये सही करा. दैट्स टू द राइट. ठीक है. और फिर से नहीं. और कुछ यहाँ पे a half done look. Lost item are kept in storage in the staff room. Please check there if you are missing something. ठीक है, समझ गया. ये तो नहीं उसका डेड स्टफ हमें वहाँ पे मिल सकता है. अरे यहाँ पे कुछ ये क्या हो रहा है. यहाँ पे ब्लिंक हो रहा है कुछ. सिक्योरिटी गार्ड तो नहीं यहाँ पे. चेक करते हैं. अरे as we enter the hallway, a small shadow flits across our feet. I turned on the flashlight to find that's a rabbit. Ribbit. Could it be a pest that escaped? The black rabbit squeaks and dashed between our legs. It rushes towards the eastern end of school. It ran away. Its nest might be in that direction. New information was added to the spirit file. Black rabbit. चलो वहाँ पे बाद में जाएंगे, पहले यहाँ पे चेक कर लेते हैं। दरवाज़ा खोल, फील कर। The keyhole isn't rusted over. If I had a key, I could open it. ठीक है, बाकी फील का मतलब इन्वेस्टिगेट होगा, लुक का मतलब एग्ज़ामिन करना, और टूल मतलब कोई इन्वेंट्री से कोई चीज़ यूज़ करनी, और एंड मतलब कि रिसर्च एंड करना। तो ये The rain coming in from the broken window is making the sound called drum. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं। ये भी दरवाज़ा बंद है, क्या बात है, शो ही नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे तो। The lights on the ceiling are silent and dark without power. ये तो हवा भी इतनी देर चल रही है। The rain coming in front from the broken window is making the floor cold and damp. The door is locked. The broken window is letting in a piercingly cold wind. Investigate. When I open the slide door, all I can find is a wall. I am about to give up and close. Wall कैसे इस दरवाजे के पीछे क्या छुपा रहा है कोई? I am about to give up and close the door when I notice something stuck on the back of it. Found the worn out talisman. When I pick up the worn out talisman, I feel warmth flow through me. अरे टाइम बढ़िया हमारा। The worn out talisman crumbles silently in my hand. अरे हेलो, अभी आता तो तेरे पास हैं, जब कह देगा। Pieces of concrete litter the floor. I think they came from the walls. अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं जाते। और ऊपर Climb the stairs. कहाँ ही जा रहे हैं, विंडो राइट साइड में था, हम लेफ्ट साइड में आ गए। ऊपर से आप सेकंड फ्लोर पे भी पहुँच गए। अरे जंप स्केयर। I feel something soft squishy under my heel. I quickly pick up my foot and shine my light down. Oh, snakes is next. The hallway is covered with poisonous snakes. Tsukasa let out something close to a shriek upon seeing time. Why are there snakes here? We decided to go back to the landing. ठीक है, मतलब फर्स्ट फ्लोर में नहीं जा सकते अब यहाँ। यहाँ पर सब तो चेक कर लिया सब। अरे ये नया लग रहा है। अच्छा पहले हम यहाँ पे थे और सामने देख रहे थे, तो हमें ये सब दिख रहा था, ये शू रैक्स हो गए, बुलेटिन बोर्ड हो गया, और हम यहाँ से सामने देख रहे हैं, तो इसलिए हमें हॉलवे का ये ये साइड्स दिख रही है। बढ़िया, अच्छा हो आगे एक बार। अच्छा यही वो लाइट थी जो जगबुझ हो रही थी। It's an emergency alarm. Feel? I open it up and shine the light to see if there's anything inside. Found the worn out talisman. When I pick up the worn out talisman, I feel warmth flow through me. What soul power? The worn out ठीक है समझ गए। अब आखिरकार चलेंगे आगे, देखते हैं अब। हाँ नहीं को से मिलने चलते हैं। यहाँ के भी दरवाजे बंद हो गए मेरे ख्याल से सारे। It's looked like something smashed the fluorescent lights. They are scattered beyond repair. Shattered. Fluorescent light क्यों? सिंपली लाइट नहीं बोल सकते? चलो देखिए तो दरवाज़ा खुलेगा। लॉक्ड। वेरी गुड। ठीक है समझ गया मैं, नहीं खुलेगा। The broken window is letting in a piercingly cold wind. ठीक है। The floor tiles have peeled off, leaving bare concrete. यहाँ पे कुछ मिलेगा? ओके जाम है, ठीक है समझ गया। हेलो एक और बच्चा है ऊपर, क्या बताएं यहाँ पे है? क्या मजाक है यार। क्लाइंब द स्टेयर्स। बाकी कुछ अननोन रीज़न की वजह से ये पार्ट मैं बहुत बार खेल चुका हूँ, तो इसलिए मुझे मेरे ऊपर यार कोई इफ़ेक्ट नहीं डाल रहे सब जंप स्केयर्स। ये एक दो पार्ट पोस्ट करते ही सब बढ़िया हो जाएगा। ये मिरर के पास पहुंच गए। So this is the mirror. I don't see anyone special about it. Just then a dull pain runs through my wrist, like something is biting into my skin. To distract myself from the pain, I keep talking with Tsukasa. It's certainly look normal. Any suggestions? Feel? I face forwards and silently wipe the grey mirror with my hands. As expected, I can't make anything out. All I can see is my own shadow reflected as vague, shadowy lump. My shadow sways in the mirror. At least that's what I thought at first. I figured the mirror moved because I had. But the next time the shadow moves, a cold shiver runs through my spine. That's not the shadow. There's something. कुछ यार अचानक से आ गया यार, डायलॉग तो पढ़ने देता पहले मुझे। Something is in the mirror. Hello. इसको तो बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ड्रामा ट्रोमा मिलने वाला है सुकासा को। वो मोए भरी भी है तो वो सही रहती, लेकिन और बोल कह रहा था ना तू भी आएगा, और आ भाई मेरे साथ। Tsukasa yells and steps back. Well, that's confirmed I am not hallucinated. There really is something in there. Every muscle in my body locks. I try to look away, but I can't even close my eyes. The figure's mouth twists. I don't want to look, but I can't even close my eyes. अच्छा? I open its mouth. An odd voice pierces my eyes. Ore, live or die. Hey, am I pretty? नहीं है तू, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। ये सारी चॉइसेस मैं इसलिए मुझे पता है क्योंकि जब हानेको का रूमर डिस्कस कर रहे थे ना, तो बहुत सारे हिंट मिले थे कि क्या क्या चॉइसेस चुननी है। आई कांट सी वेल। आर यू अ ग्रोन अप? ना, ग्रोन अप से इसको नफरत है। I am only in my 20s. Yeah, I am pretty old. I am the tallest in my class. Big people aren't allowed in school. अरे मैं बस बड़ा हूँ और कुछ नहीं, मैं भी स्टूडेंट हूँ। Suddenly the mirror cracks. It cracked. Now I can't see. No more big people's hair. The figure disappears. ये बच गए. अरे security guard. A scream echoes from the other side of the school. Sukasa sinks to the floor. They gaps in panic disbelief for a while. I feel much the same. अरे तेरे को क्या हो गया? हानिको ने पोजेस तो निकल लिया. What was that? अच्छा ये ते असली जहर है. That was probably Haniko. I could not say it. The word sticks in my throat. My mouth is completely dry. हाँ मास्क पहन लिया फिर से सोसाइटी का मास्क पहन लिया. Impossible, it was really there. No, there's no way to be completely sure yet. Sukasa seemed to shake the counter off and return to normal. Haneko's world swarmed around in my head. Our situation has done a complete worse from where we were just a moments ago. I can't believe I was just complaining about not knowing what to investigate. Anyway, mister, the scream we just heard, what was that? The guard we met outside? I doubt there is anyone else here. He might have seen something wherever he is too. It sounds like it came from a far away, a ways down the hallway. That would be the other side of the school. Right. It sounds fairly far away too. But to scream like that, something might have happened to him. Right, as I respond, I hear someone whispering in my ear. अब कौन आ गया? हानाई को? Purify with red. Purify with red? लाल रंग से नफरत है? फिर ये रेड स्टफ क्यों मांगता है? I look in the direction of the voice, but all I see is darkness. What's the matter? No, it's nothing. Let's go. चलो चलते हैं. New information was added to the state file. Haneko, the boy in the mirror. चलो चलो नीचे चलो. हानिको गया. खेल खत्म. अरे क्या हुआ? A bird cry breaks the silence. I guess there's a crow or something outside. Oh, नेक्स कहते ये कौवा था या कौवे खाने वाला था? अचानक से स्कैरी होगी जगह. हानिको ने माहौल बना दिया. चलो बढ़िया है. I heard a noise like something slamming against the door. Could there be someone there? I shined the flashlight at the door. Wow. Out of nowhere, the door bursts open and something comes flying out. Sukasa shakes and falls down. I recognize those clothes. Some kind of plant covers half of his face. The part of his face we can see is twisted in anguish as he screams. No doubt about it. It's that guard. नहीं भी शक्ल को क्या हो गया? What the hell happened? Crones are eating my face. It hurts. What's going on? Get away. Leave us alone. yelling Sukasa's placed his hand in a desperate attempt to get away. Bye bye, फिर मिलेंगे. The guard suddenly rushed towards the entrance. बेचारे का पहला दिन था आज. बेचारा. And then silence falls once more. The only sound left is that of our shaky breaths. Once we catch our breath, I take Sukasa's hand and held them up. Our nerves have calmed some, but that definitely was an unsettling impression. Something terrible lurks here. We can't just sit around. I am alright. I have calmed down. But that guard. Sukasa stares at the door. Did that ghost do that? Maybe. Speaking of, I thought I saw a figure standing behind him. There's really no good way to respond to that. I let silence serve as my answer. What else could I do? No point in coming here if we are just going to stand here shaking. If we don't uncover the secret before it's come to us. सही बात है. Why don't we check out the staff room? अच्छा idea है. I tactfully avoid answering Sukasa's question. The guard has run out of here. Something might be inside. Some secret about Hanako. हाँ सही बात है. सही बोला. You want to go inside? Yes, we need to investigate. But अरे कुछ नहीं होगा. सुबह तो मर ही जाना है. I covered my wrist and my palm, making sure Sukasa doesn't notice. The moment I would put my hand on the knob, the mark burns my skin, pulsing along with my heartbeat. No information added. Plantified. Okay, so इस एपिसोड के लिए यहीं तक रखते हैं. बाकी कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में करेंगे. अब हम ये 7 वाले रूम में इन्वेस्टिगेट करने अब अगले एपिसोड में 7 वाले रूम में इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे. हमें लगता है वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ तो इम्पोर्टेंट होगा जो आने को वहाँ पे प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है कुछ. तभी उस कार जैसे ही उस कार ने इस रूम में एंटर करा तो आने को इसके पीछे पड़ गया. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है.